Right. Let's listen. Onions. 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 What's up? Onions. Onions. Chop, chop, chop. Watermelon. That's not for you. That's not enough with watermelon.
No, you're supposed to finish it.
Yes. Who cut watermelon? Onions. Watermelon. Onions weekend. I don't thank God. Nice. Like I don't put some onions. This chicken and that one banana, nobody wants me now. I'm doing it, sir. I'm going for that.